Morning guys, how are you all doing? I think shadow is there, so I will just take it off. So today we are in Sinquerim beach, which is like one of the amazing beautiful beach in Goa, but then it's not that explored. I think many people wouldn't have come here, and also it's not like in the extreme north, kind of like near to Punjab. It was like very nice drive because we started at like 6:30. Now it's like 8, so it was like very nice drive. So we are like planning to just explore here. Then we will be going to an island. So that's what the plan is for the day. Imakuti, Bobo, hi, Vario, hi. Look at the view guys, it's so freaking beautiful. We absolutely loved it. Why this beach is not as popular as like Baga and Kalangote? Maybe because it's not in like extreme north, maybe because of that. It's very less crowded as well, so we do have our own place. Actually we are like just exploring this Kota thing. So now what we are gonna do is like we are gonna get down to the beach, and then we will be just playing in water. So before that we have to take immersive suit and as well as our dress, towel and few random things before getting down. Now we are at Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary, and it's like 1 hour journey from Sinquerim beach. Actually I changed my dress, but that's because at the end I couldn't control myself. I just jumped into water and played a lot. It's an island. We came in ferry. You guys must have already seen that. It's like we can just walk around and see birds. And also one more thing is that it's not sure. It's always based upon our luck whether we can see the birds or not. But if we are like coming early, like 7 o'clock, we can definitely see birds, as well as there is like boating, so it is like good. But then it's like 12, so I mean no guarantee that we can see birds, but still let's see. It's like a beautiful place to walk around because it's like full of nature, greenery. Such an amazing place it is. So I think we are gonna have great time. So we have reached the end of this bird sanctuary, but we have seen only like 4 or 5 birds, and we actually don't know what kind of birds it is, so it was not that worth. And actually we knew it, there is no chance to see birds at this time, but still we expected to see more birds, but that's fine. So we are heading back. We are like very tired, so reached back home and we were like super duper tired, so we took a good nap. Ima is still sleeping. It was like very good day, especially that Sinquerim beach. It's like so freaking good. It's really beautiful. And when it comes to like bird sanctuary, for us it was not that great because we didn't see any birds. First of all, that thing is there. Second of all, it was like so much of work for us because we had to walk a lot. It was not at all sunny inside that like sanctuary because it's like covered with a lot of trees, and it's definitely humid and hot that is there. We didn't enjoy it that much, but then Ima absolutely loved that place. Together it was like a very nice day. So that's it guys. I really hope you guys must have enjoyed watching this vlog. If so, you guys know what to do. Please do subscribe to this channel and do give this video a big thumbs up. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye. Take care. Love you all.